Climb inside the 2013 Chevrolet Sonic. With fewer than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value as a pre-owned model. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and an efficient 4-cylinder engine. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget, such as remote keyless entry, delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, and cruise control. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 well-positioned speakers. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as head curtain airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, a security system, OnStar, and ABS brakes. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop in and take a test drive.